Hello, right, I've got to crack on with this. I've got to get it done as quickly as possible because I am back on air in a moment on television, but I want to do this for the fashion show that we've got coming up. I'm Sally Jacks. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for free as well. I'm going to show you how to do the mermaid. So I've done this a couple of times. I've had a couple of people say, how have you done it? I also did it on holiday and people were saying do the vlogs, and I know I need to get on with it quicker when you say, by the way, if there's a certain vlog that you want, leave it in the comment section below. So this is the machine I'm using. It's called a Babyliss and it's the Babyliss Stylist tools. If you can see, it's quite thick. So I set it off going and I always put it on the maximum, which is 25. I take my dog clip, which has seen better days. I've just bought some new ones from Poundland, and I've just gone and got that Bastiste, and I'm just going to spray it in. Just want to give it a little bit of sort of something to the root of the hair, and then you're going to section it off and take it. I'll talk you through a little bit of it and then I'll just put you on fast forward if you will, because you don't want to watch. So you want to take a section of the hair. I always do it with the curve, so that way, always clamping that way on the hair, if that makes sense. So here we go. Clamp it in. Be careful of your skin. And move down. Down again. Going right down to the bottom. So easy. And if your hair's really, not really greasy, use the Bastiste, but it's like if it's a couple of days old. Mine's a couple of days old now, so that's why I'm doing it. So I'm going to film myself doing all of that and you're going to see my hair, and that's how I get the mermaid look. Now obviously you can do that very defined if you want to. You can just do it in patches if you want to. You could just do the top layer and just a few underneath if you wanted to. It's entirely up to you, but I do the whole head that you're about to see now. leave it down like so, so it's real mermaid, or you can flick it over to the side. You can do a bit of hairspray on there if you want to, but it's as simple as that. It's a really easy, quick tutorial today. I might just need to run the crimple through there just one more time, but that's how quick and simple it is to be able to do it. So simple. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's a Babyliss on YouTube. It's lovely to have you part of our family, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave in the comment section below if there's anything that you want me to do. I've got some really cool things that I've got in my mind that I'm going to do for you coming up on makeup, etc. I'll see you later.